Really RAD Robots MiBro. MiBro isn't just a robot you watch, he's a robot that's totally under your control. There is so much you can do together: play, prank, spy, serve, and show off your robotic skills. Prank your friends using the Really RAD remote to speak through MiBro and add filters to your voice so you can sound even sillier or scarier. Spy with MiBro and use him to listen in on any conversation and transmit it back through his Really RAD remote. What secrets will you find out? MiBro comes with a range of awesome accessories to keep you entertained. You can even use MiBro's tray to carry your smartphone. Hogs Flight Rider is a remote-controlled flying toy that allows you to experience the thrill of flight without leaving the ground. It is easy to fly and can be controlled with just a few simple movements of the remote control. The Flight Rider has 2 fans that provide lift and propulsion, and it can fly for up to 8 minutes on a single charge. It is also equipped with LED lights so you can fly it in low light conditions. Hogs Flight Rider is also a lot of fun to fly. It's fast and agile, and it can easily maneuver around obstacles. You can even fly it indoors, as long as there's enough space. If you're looking for a fun and easy-to-use remote-controlled flying toy, Hogs Flight Rider is a great option. It's small, lightweight, and easy to control, and it comes with a variety of features that make it fun to fly. The Terra-Sect rolling lizard is a remote-controlled vehicle that is designed to look like a slithering reptile. It has a green, insect-like body with glowing red eyes. It can move in 3 different ways: crawling, driving, and rolling. To crawl, the Terra-Sect uses its 6 legs to move slowly and stealthily over the ground. To drive, it uses its wheels to move faster and more easily over different terrain. To roll, it curls up into a ball and spins around, knocking over anything in its path. The Terra-Sect is controlled by a 2.4 GHz radio controller. The RoboMaster S1 is a game-changing educational robot built to unlock the potential in every learner. Inspired by DJI's annual RoboMaster robotics competition, the S1 provides users with an in-depth understanding of science, math, physics, programming, and more through captivating gameplay modes and intelligent features. It is equipped with a variety of sensors and features, including a 360-degree camera, a LiDAR sensor, and a 2.4 GHz radio. The S1 can be programmed to perform a variety of tasks, such as racing, obstacle avoidance, and target shooting. It can also be controlled remotely using a smartphone or tablet. If you are looking for an educational and entertaining robot, the DJI RoboMaster S1 is a great option. Anki OVERDRIVE is a robotic racing and battling game system developed by Anki. It was released in 2015 and discontinued in 2019. The game uses small, remote-controlled cars that can interact with each other and with physical objects on the track. The Anki OVERDRIVE starter kit includes 2 cars, a track, and a mobile app. The app allows you to control the cars, customize their weapons and abilities, and create your own racetracks. Anki OVERDRIVE is a fun and challenging game that can be enjoyed by people of all ages. It is a great way to get active and have some fun with friends and family. If you are looking for a fun and challenging robotic racing and battling game, Anki OVERDRIVE is a great option. However, it is important to be aware that the game is no longer supported by Anki. Misa is the next generation social family robot. Smart, interactive, and uniquely mobile, Misa can play with your children, handle your schedule, and keep your home safe. Misa will blend right into your family as a friend, teacher, companion, cameraman, homemaker, entertainer, and more. Misa can connect with family and friends, remotely navigate, watch and monitor telepresence and social interaction. It can also play games, sing karaoke, and tell stories. With its unique personality and playful nature, Misa interacts with its surroundings and is a helpful, fun, unforgettable addition to any household. It can see, hear, teach, speak, and even relate to you, which makes it a perfect personal assistant to make your daily tasks easier. Galaxy ZEGA is a line of app-controlled battle robots for kids ages 6 and up. They are Bluetooth-enabled and can be controlled by a smartphone or tablet. Each ZEGA has its own unique skills and abilities, and they can be customized with different stickers and wheel hubs. The Galaxy ZEGA X2 is the latest version of the ZEGA line. It features two vehicles, the Razor and the Puck, which can be controlled independently or together. The X2 also comes with a variety of accessories, including a battle arena, weapons, and stickers. The Galaxy ZEGA X2 is a fun and educational toy that can help kids develop their problem-solving, strategic, and creative thinking skills. It is also a great way for kids to get active and have fun with friends and family. Hogs Supernova. Unleash the power of your hands with the Hogs Supernova. Only you can control this gravity-defying orb. Launch it, push it, spin it, using just your hands. No remote control or touching needed. Equipped with an intelligent onboard system and motion-sensitive lights and sensors. The Hogs Supernova responds to your every movement. To activate, just toss to launch and Hogs Supernova will levitate mid-air, awaiting your command. It features a built-in gyroscope that helps it stay stable in the air, even when making sharp turns. It also has a bright LED light so you can see it in low light conditions. The Hogs Supernova is powered by a rechargeable battery that provides up to 10 minutes of flight time. It comes with a USB charging cable. The rocket fishing rod is a great way to teach children how to fish. It is easy to use and eliminates the need for complicated casting techniques. It is also a lot of fun and can help to make fishing a more enjoyable experience for kids. The rocket fishing rod is a fishing rod that uses a spring-loaded mechanism to launch a bobber and bait out to a distance of up to 25 feet. It is designed for children ages 8 and up, and is a great way to introduce them to the sport of fishing. The rocket fishing rod is made of durable ABS plastic and features a telescoping rod that can be adjusted to a length of 25 inches. It comes with a safety bobber that keeps the hook enclosed until it hits the water, and a lure bait compartment that opens to drop the bait to the desired depth. The Razor Turbo Jets are a pair of electric heel wheels that allow you to ride hands-free. They are powered by an 80-watt motor that can propel you up to 16 kilometers per hour, 10 miles per hour for up to 30 minutes of continuous use. The turbo jets are easy to use. Simply step into the frame and tighten the hook and loop strap. The motor will automatically turn on when you start rolling and turn off when you stop. The Razor Turbo Jets are a great way to have fun and get around town. They are easy to learn to ride and are a lot of fun for people of all ages. If you are looking for a unique and exciting way to get around, the Razor Turbo Jets are a great option. You can buy the Razor Turbo Jets from Razor's website, Amazon, or other retailers. They typically cost around $150. Anki Cozmo is a small, programmable robot. Cozmo is designed to be a companion and playmate for children and adults, and it has a number of features that allow it to learn, play games, and interact with its environment. Cozmo has an expressive LCD screen face, built-in wheels, and range of sensors and cameras. This allows Cozmo to move around and interact with its surroundings in various ways. For example, Cozmo can recognize and interact with objects, follow your finger, and play games. In addition, users can program Cozmo using CodeLab, a graphical programming interface based on Scratch blocks that Anki developed. This allows users to create their own programs and routines for Cozmo to perform. The Havospark Sharki is a motorized swimming kickboard designed for children, but adults can ride them too. This baby shark-looking water toy gives you an exciting swimming and surfing experience with great buoyancy and thrust. Take it to a backyard swimming pool or shallow sea along a sand beach for some golden memories with your family and friends while playing with Sharki. 350W motor, strong propulsion. The Sharki runs at a max speed of 5.4 kilometers per hour and is suitable for both young children and adults with all swimming skill levels. The Sharki turns a swimming pool or bathing beach into another playground, which provides more opportunities for parents to have intimate interactions with their kids. The Sharki has an ergonomic design with intricate body curves for maximum comfort during the use, and also ensures you a steady and joyful ride while playing with water. Robo Wunderkind is a STEAM science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics educational robotics kit that teaches children as young as 5 years old to build and program their own robots. The kit comes with a variety of colorful, LEGO-registered compatible building blocks, sensors, motors, and a coding app. Children can use the blocks to build robots of all shapes and sizes, and the coding app to program them to move, light up, and make sounds. Robo Wunderkind is designed to be fun and engaging, while also teaching children valuable STEM skills. The kit includes 19 interactive tutorials that guide children through the process of building and programming their robots. The tutorials also cover topics such as problem solving, critical thinking, and collaboration. The Really Rad Robots Turbo Bot is a remote-controlled robot that is built for speed and tricks. It has a sleek, blue design with a yellow racing stripe. It has a large, expressive face with a light-up mouth that can talk and make sounds. The Turbo Bot can be controlled using the included remote control. The remote has a variety of buttons that allow you to control the robot's speed, direction, and actions. You can also use the remote to make the robot talk, make sounds, and perform tricks. The Turbo Bot also has voice control capabilities. You can speak to the robot and it will respond to your commands. You can tell it to spin, dance, explore, or tell you a joke. The Turbo Bot also has crash recognition. If it hits something, it will automatically change direction to avoid getting stuck. The Stunt Rider drone is a small, lightweight drone that is designed for indoor flying. It has a unique design that allows it to transform into two different modes: a hoverboard and a paraglider. This makes it a very versatile drone that can be used for a variety of stunts and tricks. The Stunt Rider drone is powered by a rechargeable battery and has a flight time of about 8 minutes. It comes with a remote control that has a range of about 30 feet. The drone also has a built-in camera that can take photos and videos. The Stunt Rider drone is a great choice for kids and adults who are looking for a fun and challenging drone to fly. It is easy to control and can perform a variety of stunts. It is also a great way to learn about the basics of drone flying.